welcome back to Appendix Club. Today we are going to discuss about manual SQL injection exploitation by step by step. So in this video, we will learn the different techniques of perform SQL injection manually using Firefox with any type of website. Okay, so we are performing a SQL injection manually on live website. We choose a vulnerable web as a target in order to reduce our stress of installing setups and everything. So we are going to apply same concept on the techniques performed on Dhakan on different of the platforms. So now let's begin. So we just use the Firefox. I just open the Firefox. So I just open a new tab. I type vulnerweb.com. So now we are in the vulnerableWeb.com. So now we need to go test.vulnerableWeb.com. So now we can see test.vulnerableWeb.com. We can see here home, categories, artist, disclaimer, your cart, guestbook, Ajax demo. In a same of another type of website, you can find many other things. So you can click on artist. So you find artist here, artist.php. So we want to get something like we need to type artist1.php. So we can see artist1.php. Before what we have found here, artist1, artist2, artist3. So we go to artist1. We are in the artist1 now. So we can type artist2. We got Vlad3. So we can type artist3. We got it here. So we are going a test using SQL injections like with ID. Okay, ID is 1, 2, 3. So how much is available like that? So with the same thing, we go to number 1. So we try to insert like now we use a base technique by adding a apostrophe. Okay, and we just enter. So you can see here warning. MySQL fetch array accept parameters 1 to be resource a boolean given of the command. So it's giving some error. So we just type with the 2. It's the same thing. We go with the 3. Also a same thing. Same error we got getting. So now we just stop the apostrophe. Now we just we use order by with a keyword to sort the records in ascending and descending order. So we use artist1. We use artist1 order by 1. So there is no any files, but we got it order by 1. Similarly, by repeating the order 2 or 3, so you can see artist2, same thing, artist3, same thing, but here we also type 2, same thing, but it's executing manually here. You can see 3. So we can try with the I use 1 and by 4. So at the 4 we get an error again. Warning MySQL fetch. You can see. So now let's penetrate more inside using the union based injections to select a statement from different table. So For this we need to delete order. We need to type union select 1 2 3. So but it's executing the union select. So uh, now we pass a wrong input to the database through a URL by replacing a artist equal to 1. Okay, so now we are pass here artist equal to 1, but I will pass here minus 1. Okay, and we can see with the union select, now we can see artist 2, we got the result here as a 3. So hence we have seen here remaining tables also. Now we can see minus 1, we try with the minus 2 as the same thing, uh, minus 3 as the same thing. So now this is done. This is the same thing but which flows here. Now I want to use the 3 database which here having. So I just take this minus 1 thing. So now I would like to try I just try union select 1 comma. So I want to take a database from the 3, but it shows me an error. It shows me an error for here a mistake, I think. So here I not put base. So let me look it out this one. So we will see from here. So we just delete. So this is artist union select 1 database 3. So but it's not showing, but it's a giving a warning. So in place of 3 we type 2. Also okay, so we put 3 and select 2. It's also showing error. So it's okay, no worries. So now we would like to execute some other thing. Uh, just delete from here. Select 1. No, it's also showing error. Version current user. So here we got it. So once I got it here, another one. So I would like to extract the username. This is a username, accurate @localhost. This is the username. So the version is 8.0.22. given to. So through the next query, we will try to fetch a table names inside the database. So for this, we just delete from here. So we need to type table name 3 from information schema dot table schema dot tables where. So when you are doing manually SQL injection, you need to be perfect in here DBMS language. Table schema equal to database limit 0, 1. Now let's see. Again, it's artist, the database. You can see artist and artist, the database. We found it here. So now we can see another one. So you can see we will select table 1, 3 from information schema, tables, where table schema database limit. So here we put here 0, 1. Now I put 1, comma 1. Now you can see we found cards. Similarly, you can repeat it some other things. Okay, so now you can put 1 is to 1. Now you can type with 2 comma 1. Now 2 comma 1. You can find category, and you can try some other things like again 4 comma 1 guest book. So you can try similarly like these guys. So you can try some other thing where we put 4. We use now as a 5. You can see 5 we got it. We try 6, we got a products. We type 7, we got it users again. And we go 8, but we not get 8 anything else here. So to concat a function used in the concatenation of the 2 or more strings into a single string, we can see this one. So how we will get it this one? So we will try to delete from here everything. So concatenation means it's just like the addition of the everything in the group, like whatever inside having the database. We need to type group concat table name 3 from information schema dot tables where table schema equal to database. So you got it here: artist, cards, category, feature, guestbook, pictures, products, users, etc. things. So maybe we cannot get some important data from the users table. So let's penetrate more inside again the concat functions for table users for retrieving the entire column names. Okay. So for this, so now we just go from here. We need to delete all. Yes. Group concat column name 3 from information schema dot columns where okay, where table name equal to users. So just see, we got it in the table of username, password, cc, address, email, name, phone, card, everything. So we are uh, penetrating away some, like got everything information from here. Okay. So to concat a function of selecting a username from the table users for exercise speed, including the following query the URL. So for this we will see here further. From here I need to delete everything. So I need to get uname. So I type uname 3 from users. So got it here. Test users names is game. So use the concat function for selecting a password from the table users for existing the passwords. So in the place of a same thing username, I need to put pass. So password is also came as a test. So use the concat function by selecting a CC like a credit card from the table list using by existing of the following. So existing of the following means I need to use here CC. That's it. Here got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 2 3 0 9 0. So use the concat functions for selecting an email table for the existing the following query of the URL. So the same in CC place I need to use email. So here email at the rate email.com. So I got it here. So this is how you can perform the manually of SQL injection. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.